Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the dynamo for a Suzuki GT100, the old version, 6 volt with contact breaker system and a condenser right there. Okay, so we're gonna look into the coils here. We have 3 coils. We have this one, which I suppose is creating the light. So the light is coming up through a yellow cable. This one is very like melted and not in a good condition, but this is the yellow. So this one produces electricity that goes to the light. This one, ignition coil, via the contact breaker system and stuff, will supply the black cable with a yellow stripe. Okay, black cable with yellow stripe. This is typical for many Suzukis. And then we have the charge coil, I suppose, which will supply electricity to this green cable. The green cable with a white stripe. Okay, so repeat. Charge coil only looks like this, turn around. It comes one brown cable out from the bottom there on the side, and in the you see like it is that this is 2 cables there. Okay, then we have the light coil. It has a lot of connections there and in the back. We used to have this one to support it up a little bit. Let's see, this one will fall. Okay, and then the ignition coil, which looks like this, is one tiny black cable there, and here is another one. So if we turn around the flywheel, you can see how it looks under here, right? So the light coil with charge coil, light coil. Okay, so the light coil will be this one, yeah. The light coil will be this one. And as you can see, there's a lot of cables coming out from there, just as you can see here on the new one. So there are 1, 2, 3 connections there, which looks correct according to this. So here we have the ignition coil then. The ignition coil upside down looks like this, and there we go.